Much, Heather. Yeah, hello everyone. I'm really excited to be here and have this opportunity to share my experience, my Salesforce journey with you all. Uh, so my journey I started when I joined Supermums, and I have to give a big thank to Heather because because she let me join the course even I was a couple of weeks late. I was intended to start in September, but I started in May. It was it saved me a couple of months. So it was when I started, it was 2020, and it was really crazy time when we had the COVID. And I think like many of us, I just stayed at home. But at the same time, it gave me great opportunity to start and allocate my time for studying and learning. The course itself was amazing, not but it wasn't just learning, but it was a huge support. I was lucky to have a fantastic mentor who guided me through all the course. And even still, years later, we still have a really good relationship and we keep in touch. And I know that this is someone that I always can email and ask her my questions. So it's really great. And after completing the theory part of my course, so the first 3 months we had a theory course, and after that I was placed on a real project, and I was working alongside with my project manager, and I was really lucky because I was assigned to the project where we were working on the project where we set up Salesforce from scratch for a small charity in London, but it was really great because with my project manager, I was involved from, to the gathering requirements for completing and working on documentation, building. I delivered training to our end users, and so it was absolutely great experience, and it gave me something real to talk about during my job interviews. And of course, it gave me some confidence as well because I already had this journey and I did it, and I learned a lot from my project manager. And Becky, she's really amazing person, and still I keep in touch with her as well as with my mentor. So this was really great, and it gives me some confidence when I was applying for my first roles. Another big advantage of being part of Supermoms, it was a recruiting team, of course, because after the course and after completing my project, I was a bit frustrated because I was just about to start my next stage and start looking for a new job. And they really helped me to refine my CV, to prepare for my interview. They show me how I can highlight my transferable skills from my previous jobs, and I think it's very important. Just because whenever we change and shift our career path, we shouldn't think like, oh, we're going to start everything from very beginning. I think it's not really so, because all our communication skills, all our problem solving things, problem solving skills, and other soft skills that we gain during our long working time and from our previous journeys, they definitely will big advantage for us, and this is something that we can highlight and add to our CVs. So that after getting my Salesforce Administrator certification, it took about 3 or 4 months for me to land my first job, and I after that, and then I worked as a Salesforce consultant for almost 3 years. And last year, I decided to change my career a little bit and to shift from being consultant to more Salesforce administration and ownership, just to focus on the one company's processes. It's like a new stage, new milestone in my career. And I can't say that it was very easy, but still, just it's very important. Just never give up and keep going. And with the support of Supermoms, I joined career sessions that we have every Tuesday. So this all really helped me to prepare for my interviews, to tailor my CV for these roles, and to change my mindset a little bit from being consultant to move to someone who is looking after Salesforce like in-house. So, and in January, I started a new career milestone in my career, and I joined Canon Europe as a B2B sales Salesforce lead. So at the moment, I'm just at the beginning of my new journey, and it's really interesting because I'm meeting with new people and just trying to understand their and learn more about their processes. It's a bit different, but I'm really excited about this, and I found this um, really interesting, hopefully. So yeah, let's see, fingers crossed how it will be, but I'm really can see it very positive. So there is just another thing that I would like to share with you. If if there is one thing that I have learned during all this my journey is that this journey really requires patience and willingness to keep learning, because you always have something, new updates, new releases, new tools. But you know what the best part of this is that you're never alone. Doesn't matter if you work as just a admin, as a solo admin, or you work as a team of administrators or consultants. The Supermoms is always there to support you. We have our group on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn. We have our events, and it's really great to be part of it and feel that you're not alone. And also last year, I had a chance to give back by volunteering as a mentor myself as well. So it was like new experience for me. So I'm really happy to share my experience whenever I learned. No, so please, if anyone wants to reach out to me on LinkedIn, I would be more than happy to connect and to have a conversations if needed. And yeah, so just if, for example, you were just starting out, just stick with it, keep learning, keep asking questions, and just trust this process. And you have got amazing community behind you. I think this really important.